Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Corbridge. We're going to be seeing services from Northern only. So yeah, let's get into the video. And passing through now is a severely delayed Northern service from Carlisle to Morpeth. And that one is 158845. Not entirely sure why all these are running late. Something's happened, because that train is running about 30 minutes late. Yeah, not 100% sure what's happened on this line, but something's gone on, because there's literally been no trains for an hour. But they seem to be running again, so that's good. Arriving now, I believe, is the severely delayed 1334 Northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. I will confirm for you guys once it has arrived in though. And it is 156471. So yeah, I will confirm whether I am correct or not when this one departs out. And departing out there is 156471 on the severely delayed 1334 Northern service from Nunthorpe to Hexham. So I was correct with what I said in the previous clip. Train departing out about 31 minutes late. Passing through now is a delayed Northern service from Carlisle to Morpeth. I do apologise guys, well that was 158861 and I do apologise, that was for Newcastle, not Morpeth. And passing through now, we have a 156. That's 156451 and I will confirm where that was from and to, I'll confirm where both trains were from and to in a minute. Right guys, I can confirm the first train that passed through was from Carlisle to Newcastle and was running about 25 minutes late, and the second train was from Newcastle to Carlisle, cancelled between Morpeth and Carlisle due to a problem with train crew, and that train was running about 20 minutes late. Passing through there was 156486 on a Northern service from Newcastle to Carlisle. And arriving in now, I believe, is the delayed 1400 Northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. And this one is 156471. And departing out now is the delayed 1400 Northern service from Hexham to Nunthorpe. And that train is departing out about 18 minutes late. 156496 on a northern service from Morpeth to Carlisle. Passing through now is a northern service from Carlisle to Newcastle. And that's 158860. Passing through there was 156468 on a ECS from Hexham to Newcastle. Train passing through on an ECS due to the 1500 service being cancelled. And that was the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.